Hi students, I am your chemistry miss Mrs. Andumalar. Today we are going to see the continuation for your 11th lesson 4 transition element. The topic is preparation of KMnO4. Okay, so previous video we completed the potassium dichromate and the chromate ion. Today we are going to see the how to prepare the potassium permanganate ion. So first, what is meant by KMnO4? So what is meant by KMnO4? So in the laboratory, so everyone see that potassium permanganate, that is the burette solution, that is purple in color. It is crystal, it is easily soluble in water. So that is the KMnO4 is a purple in color. So how to prepare? So what is KMnO4? So KMnO4 we can write K plus and MnO4 minus ion. So what is this? This is the potassium, this is cation, this is anion, permanganate ion. So the name of this compound is permanganate ion. So that is MnO4. So that is from this permanganate ion, what is meant by acid? Instead of K, we can write H, means that is HMnO4. What is the name of this compound? That is permanganic acid. What is the name of this compound? Permanganic acid. Permanganic acid is the salt of KMnO4. So that is the permanganic acid is the salt of KMnO4. This is the another one. So next one is how to prepare the KMnO4. First we are going to see the preparation of KMnO4. It is prepared from the pyrolusite ore. So it is prepared from the pyrolusite ore. Pyrolusite ore. It takes place in two steps. First step is it is converted into pyrolusite. Pyrolusite is converted into potassium manganate. Potassium manganate. Potassium manganate. So that is what is the pyrolusite ore. The element, the compound is MnO2, that is pyrolusite ore. So MnO2, first step is MnO2 is converted into potassium manganate K2MnO4. So this is the different potassium permanganate KMnO4. This is potassium permanganate, that is potassium manganate K2MnO4. Okay, so that is the difference. This can be write like this, MnO4 2 minus. So according to the number of cation, we can write MnO4 2 minus. So second step, what is the second step? That is the K2MnO4. K2MnO4. It is converted into, it is oxidized into potassium permanganate. Okay, so this is the another one. So first one is first step is pyrolusite ore is converted into MnO2, then pyrolusite potassium manganate MnO2 K2MnO4. So K2MnO4 oxidized is KMnO4. So this is the first step. So for what is the equation? How to write that equation? First step, what is the first step? Pyrolusite is converted into potassium manganate. So first I am writing this one, MnO2, it is converted into K2MnO4, right? So this is the first step. So first one is, that is the powdered ore, that is the powdered pyrolusite ore. First one is the powdered pyrolusite ore. Pyrolusite ore. So adding with the fused KOH, that is the fused form of KOH, then react with air or potassium nitrate KNO3 or potassium chloride KClO3. Okay, so after then it is converted into potassium manganate. Okay, first one is, what is the first step? So powdered ore of pyrolusite react with fused KOH, then air, it is converted into potassium manganate. Now how to write that equation? So how to write that equation? First I am writing that equation. So here that is powdered ore of pyrolusite. What is pyrolusite? MnO2, right? So purest KOH, I am writing KOH. Okay, that is air, I am writing O2. So what is potassium manganate? What is potassium manganate? K2Mn K2MnO4. That is potassium manganate. Then finally water molecule KOH, that is the water molecule. So how to balancing that equation? First here that is 2 potassium is there, so I am writing it here 2 KOH, that is then 1 MnO2, that is 1 Mn, that is balancing that one, 2 KOH. Then see the oxygen, so see the hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen. So calculate the so here calculate the oxygen here 2 oxygen, 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 oxygen is here only 4 1 5. So that is I am writing, so here that is 2 MnO2, that is 4 plus 2 plus 6, so that is 4 plus 2 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2, that is 8 oxygen is here again. So oxygen, so again 2 K2, so here again 2 K2 means that is 2 4 KOH. Okay, 4 KOH. So remaining now we are calculating the oxygen. How much oxygen? Here 4 plus 4 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2, here 10 is there, here 2 8 plus 1. So here I am writing 2 means that is 10. So that is the balancing the equation. 2 MnO2 4 KOH plus O2 gives 2 KMnO4, then 2 H2O. This is the first equation. Second equation, oxidation of K2MnO4 to KMnO4. KMnO4. Okay, so next step is oxidation of KMnO4 to K2MnO4 to KMnO4. First, what is the oxidation? So how it will oxidize? So here that is K2MnO4, right? So here KMnO4. So what is the oxidation state of here? That is potassium is plus 2, oxygen is 2 minus 2 minus 8, 8 minus 2, that is here plus 6, oxidation state plus 6. So here potassium 1, oxidation state that is minus 2 into 4, that is minus 8. What is the oxidation state? Minus 8 plus 1, that is plus 7. So here oxidation. So plus 6 is reduced to plus 7. So it is the oxidation will takes place. So here that is the plus 6 KMnO4, plus 6 is oxidized to plus 7. So how to write that equation? So here the oxidation takes place 2 step. What is this 2 step? Chemical oxidation and the electrolytic oxidation. The oxidation takes place 2 step. First one is chemical oxidation. Another one is electrolytic oxidation. Electrolytic oxidation. What is mean by chemical oxidation? So right, first what is mean by chemical oxidation? First one is, so how to write the chemical oxidation? So MnO4. So here that is K2MnO4. How to write? I am writing like this. MnO4 2 minus, that is the potassium manganate. So again it is oxidation with ozone or chlorine. Oxidation with ozone or chlorine. Okay, so this is the oxidation. So now it is O3 then, and another one is react with water molecule. So oxidation with water molecule. So what is that conversion is? So what is that answer here? That is MnO2, that is MnO4 minus, that is potassium permanganate, then OH minus, then oxygen. Okay, how to balancing that equation? So here that is KMnO4, here 2 charges, minus 2 charger is there, hydrogen, 1 hydrogen is there. So how to balancing, that is according to this equation, 2 hydrogen is there. I am writing here that is 2 oxygen. So You can again charge is there 2MnO4. So here also 2MnO2, balancing that equation. Okay, so this is the another one. So next one is first according to the hydrogen we can write 2 oxygen. So here 248, 2 minus charge, here also 2 minus charge. According to the charge, oxygen is 3. You can calculate this one is balancing that one. So again when react with chlorine, oxidation with chlorine. So how to oxidize with chlorine? Again MnO4 2 minus plus chlorine, it will oxidize MnO4 minus plus 2Cl minus. Okay, so this is the another one. MnO4 2Cl already it is the balance one. Here the charge is there, so that is the another one. So next one is how to electrolytic oxidation. So electrolytic oxidation also. What is electrolytic oxidation? Electrolytic oxidation takes place in the alkaline medium. Alkaline medium, that is K2MnO4. It is, we can write like this, K plus MnO4 2 minus. So this is the ionic form. So how to write that ionic form? K2MnO4 2K plus MnO4 2 minus. So here, so at anode, then when react with hydrolysis, what will happen? H plus and OH minus. Okay, so at anode, what will happen at anode? That is electrolytic oxidation at anode. At anode, what is the answer? So at anode, MnO4 2 minus MnO4 minus 1 electron. So here that is MnO4 2 minus, it is reduced into MnO4 minus, so that is 1 electron. So that is already balanced. At cathode, what is that? H plus 2 electron, 2 gives, hydrogen is liberated. Okay, so this is the another one. So this is the preparation of, that is the 2 steps. 2 steps preparation. First one is pyrolusite ore. So here that is pyrolusite ore is converted into MnO2. So pyrolusite is converted into potassium manganate. Then MnO2 it converted into K2MnO4. So the how to write that ionic form? MnO4 2 minus. Then second step K2 that is potassium manganate is converted into potassium permanganate, oxidized to potassium permanganate. The oxidase takes place. First step is pyrolusite ore fused with potassium hydroxide and react with air. So that is the balancing that equation MnO2 pyrolusite ore fused with potassium hydroxide in the oxygen to form K2MnO4, then water molecule. Then again it is oxidation of K2MnO4, KMnO4. So that is oxidation takes place 2 types, that is chemical oxidation and the electrolytic oxidation. What is chemical oxidation? That is MnO4 react with ozone or chlorine. Okay, that is the KMnO4 is obtained. Again electrolytic oxidation in the alkaline medium. Alkaline medium is react with potassium hydroxide or water. It is converted into anode and the potassium permanganate, and the another one is cathode and anode. It will reduce, it will obtain. Okay, so this is the preparation. Next we are going to see the what is the structure of the permanganate ion. What is the structure of permanganate ion? Structure of permanganate ion. Structure of permanganate ion. Okay, so what is meant by permanganate ion? That is KMnO4. How to write? So K plus, that is manganate ion. So that is permanganate ion, that is MnO4 minus. So what is the oxidation state of this one? So that is, this is X minus 8 equal to minus 1. So what is the answer? X is equal to plus 7. So that is plus 7. So what is the meaning for that? The plus 7 means the manganese containing 7 electron bond. That is the 7 bond in that atom. So how to write that? That is the another one. So Mn, right? So 7 bonds are there. I am writing here, that is the oxygen. Here 2 oxygen, 2 to 4 ion oxygen, then 1, that is negative ion. So that is what is the meaning for that. That manganate ion is, it is the tetrahedral geometry. Is the tetrahedral geometry. Tetrahedral geometry. Tetrahedral geometry. So what is that? What is that? So this oxygen is having the resonance structure. How to explain that? So the negative, the electron is enter inside, mean that is go outside. So next one is again. So next what is that atom? That is Mn, O minus, here double bond O. So then double bond O, then double bond O. So next what is the next step? This one enter inside, this one enter outside. So this is the this arrangement is exhibit this manganate permanganate ion exhibit in a, so that is O minus. So here that is double bond, here double bond. So what is the next step? This electron enter inside, this one enter outside. So this is the resonance structure. So Mn, so double bond. So here also double bond, here single bond minus, then double bond. So what is the meaning for that? The all sides are bond angles are all the bond chemical. So all the bonds are equal. So here the all the bond lengths are equal in the permanganate ion. So another one is, what is the reason? So it is a this hybridization is sp3 hybridization. So another one is, due to this the electrons are delocalized, it exhibit in a resonance structure. Why it will exhibit in a resonance structure? Due to the delocalization of pi electron. Delocalized pi electron. Due to the delocalization of pi electron, they exhibit with the resonance structure. Okay, so this is the structure of permanganate ion. So next we are going to see the next topic is, what is the action or what is the chemical properties of this permanganate, potassium permanganate, chemical properties. Chemical properties of permanganate. Chemical properties of permanganate. First one is, it is the two-step equation. First one is decomposed with oxidation of oxygen. First one is decomposition or action of heat. First one is action of heat. Action of heat. What is the meaning of action of heat? It will decompose, right? Decomposition of KMnO4. So that is KMnO4. KMnO4 is decomposed into potassium K2MnO4. So what is the KMnO4? Potassium permanganate, potassium manganate. Okay, so this is potassium, this is potassium permanganate, this is potassium manganate. Then again MnO2, then oxygen. Okay, how to balancing that equation? So here K2 is there. So here 2 means that is here 2Mn. So here 2Mn is there. So remaining everything is balanced. So here this KMnO4 purple in color, and another one is, it is a green in color. Green in color. Purple in color, another one is green in color. So this permanganate ion is a otherwise called as chemeleon mineral. So this permanganate other name is called as chemeleon. What is meant by chemeleon minerals? So what is meant by chemeleon minerals? So that is because it is a pachondi abdingirathu. So that is, it will change repeatedly, frequently changing that color according to that compound. So that is, it is called as chemeleon minerals. So here this KMnO4 is, when we are heating, means it is converted into green in color. So that is, according to that, it will frequently change in color. Okay, so Okay, repeatedly change in color, so it is called as chameleon structure. Okay, so another one is, second equation is, first one is action of heat, second one is reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid, cold concentrated sulfuric acid and hot concentrated sulfuric acid. First one is, it is react with cold concentrated sulfuric acid, cold concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So how to write? So potassium permanganate, KMnO4, then react with sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It is react with Mn2O7. Okay, Mn2O7. Then potassium hydrogen sulfate. Then water molecule. So what is that? This is the manganese heptoxide. What is the name of this compound? Manganese heptoxide. Okay, this is manganese heptoxide, this is potassium hydrogen sulfate. So manganese heptoxide, it is highly explosive one. So what is that reaction after this heptoxide is highly, so automatically it will decompose. Mn2O7, it is automatically decomposed, it is converted into manganese dioxide, that is manganese dioxide, then oxygen. Okay, so now how to balancing the equation? So here 2Mn, so that is we can write here 2, that is 2 potassium, so again 2 potassium hydrogen sulfate, then 2 hydrogen, so here 2 hydrogen, so here 2 hydrogen sulfate. Okay, so here also Mn2O7, so Mn2O7, so what is the, how to write? So here oxygen 7, here 4. So suppose so random number is there, like that means put here 2 means 2 to 4. So that is 4 MnO2. So calculate that oxygen here, that is 2 7s are 14 oxygen is there. Here what is that, how many oxygen is there? 2 4s are 8 plus 2, that is 10 oxygen. 4 oxygen we need. So that is so 3 means that is 6 plus 8. So that is the 14. So 14 oxygen, the equation is balanced. So this is the first one. So next one is second equation, it is a hot concentrated sulfuric acid. What is the hot concentrated sulfuric acid? What is hot concentrated sulfuric acid? Again, this KMnO4. Next equation is hot concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, so what is that equation? KMnO4, then sulfuric acid, then manganese sulfate, then potassium sulfate, then water molecule, then oxygen. Okay, now balancing that equation. How to balancing that equation? Here potassium permanganate, so again sulfuric acid, here MnSO4, K2SO4, so here K2SO4, so here K2 means, suppose here adding the 2 oxygen, 2 potassium, suppose here oxygen 4 4 8, so first time here, that is the 2 K2SO4, that is the 4, so that is 4 KMnO4, then 4 KMnO4 means here 4 MnSO4, right? So here that is the 4 MnSO4. So again here first I am putting the 2 K2SO4, 4 KMnO4, 4 KMnO4, again 4 MnSO4. SO4, how many SO4 is there? 4 plus 2, that is, so that is 6 H2SO4. So hydrogen, how many hydrogen is there? So that is 6 water molecule is there. So then again oxygen. So how many oxygen? Now you are calculating the oxygen. What is the oxygen? 4 4s are 60 is 24 equal to 40, right? So here 4 4s are 16, 2 4s are 8, plus oxygen is 6. Okay, what is that answer? That is 6 oxygen. So remaining how many oxygen we want? So that is the remaining 10 oxygen we want. So that is the so here remaining 10 oxygen, that is I am putting 5 for this balancing that equation. Okay, so this is the action of heat. This is the another one. So next we are going to see the oxidizing property of potassium permanganate. What is next? We are going to see the next topic, oxidizing property. Oxidizing property of potassium permanganate. So potassium oxidizing property. Potassium permanganate is a powerful oxidizing agent. So the oxidizing property, how it can be explained? So that is, first one is potassium permanganate, KMnO4. So we can write like this, manganate ion, permanganate ion. What is the electronic configuration of manganese? How to write? Argon 3d5, that is 4s2. So oxidation state is 7 plus, mean what is the oxidation state? Argon 3d0 and then 4s0. Okay, so now that is outermost electron, the outermost 7 electron is oxidized, so that is Mn7 plus. No unpaired electron, so here that is no unpaired electron, so it is a diamagnetic, right? No unpaired electrons, so it is diamagnetic. No unpaired electron, it is diamagnetic. So that is the charge. How to but it is different oxidation status exhibit. So how it will possible? The charge is transferred to transition. So that is the charge, the ligand is donated to manganese ion. So the charge transition will be takes place. So that is more possible oxidation state will be possible. So that is the manganese contain more possible oxidation state. Possible oxidation state. Oxidation state. How it will be calculated? More oxidation possible. How it will be possible? So that is the next one. The Mn7 plus. So this Mn7 plus 7 is can get oxidized, can get reduced. So it is a powerful oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Okay, so the acidic medium. So this can be explained in a 3 types of medium: acidic medium, then neutral medium, then basic medium. Basic medium. Okay, the 3 things we can explain in this chapter. First one is KMnO4. How it can be explained? So first one is acidic medium. So KMnO4, here MnO4 minus ion plus 7 oxidation state. Okay, this can be explained the three types. First one is acidic medium. This is alkaline medium. Then this one is neutral medium, right? Neutral medium. So what is that takes place? Acidic medium, it is converted into, so acidic medium, it will reduce to Mn2 plus. But so here MnO4 2 minus, alkaline medium. So here that is neutral medium, it will converted into MnO2. What is the oxidation state? That is the +2 oxidation state here. That is the, what is the oxidation state? That is -8, x minus 8 equal to -2. So that is the +6 oxidation state, right? This is +6 oxidation state. What is this oxidation state here? That is x minus 4, that is +4 oxidation state. So what is that? In this acidic medium, how many electron reduced? That is +7 is reduced to +2. So how many electron is gained? That is 5 electron gain. So here that is +7 is reduced to +6. How many electron? 1 electron is gained. So here that is 4 plus 4, that is plus 7 is reduced to plus 4. How many electron is gained? That is the plus 3, right? 3 electron is gained. So according to that, so how to the acidic medium is the oxidizing property more than alkaline and neutral. So that is this. According to this, we can write that balancing the equation. So how to write that balancing the equation? That is general equation we can write. Acidic medium is oxidating property is more than. So first I am writing here. So acidic medium is more. Acidic medium when compared to neutral than alkaline. Okay, so this is the three things: alkaline, acidic medium, neutral medium, and the alkaline medium. So how to calculate this equivalent mass? So according to that equivalent mass, this can be explained. Okay, so next one is how to calculate the equivalent mass of the three medium in the equivalent mass. How to calculate the equivalent mass according to this three medium. Okay, so how to explain this the equivalent mass, gram equivalent mass, how to explain? What is the formula of equivalent mass? Equivalent mass equal to molecular weight by n factor, right? What is n factor? Number of electrons are gain or lose, right? So what is the molecular weight of molecular weight is 158. Molecular weight of potassium permanganate is 158 divided by how many electrons are gained in the acid medium? That is 5. What is that answer is? So that is 31.6, right? 31.6. So what is that equivalent in this another one? Alkaline medium. This is acid medium. Then alkaline medium. What is the alkaline medium? Alkaline medium, that is again 158. How many electron? That is only one electron. So that is answer is 158, right? So then neutral medium, that is 158 divided by how many electron? That is 3 electron. What is that answer is 52.67. So this is in that medium, that is the 3 different levels. So according to this concept, this potassium permanganate is act in the different way. The acidic medium, it is act in a different way. Alkaline medium, it is in a different way. So that is the thing we can explain this one. Okay, so next one is how to explain this neutral medium, acidic medium. We see the next video. Okay, thank you children.